Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best whittling knives that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Morakniv wood carving 120 knife. Whittling is made more comfortable with a knife that delivers excellent cutting quality. One of such products is the Morakniv wood carving knife, the best whittling knife recommended by several customers around the globe. This is a sharp-edged knife that has a classic design and a fantastic level of durability, even with regular usage. It is manufactured with durable laminated steel for longevity and is well suited for all your wood carving needs. We recommend this whittling knife because it's part of one of the leading brands in the industry. The Morakniv brand has been around since then, and it's a company that has seen generations of wood carvers and carpenters who appreciate accuracy in performance and precision in design. Moving on at number 4, we have the Flexcut carving knives. The next product is the Flexcut carving knife, an exceptionally well-balanced unit created by professionals to exhibit precision and high quality whenever it used. It is a starter set model and as such, comes in a set of 3. The packaging of this unit, as well as the number you receive for its price, is a fair bargain for all economic knife lovers. The 3 knives included are the roughing knife, cutting knife and the detail knife, all the elements needed for different purposes. Every blade found in the Flexcut starter set is made from usable and corrosion-resistant carbon steel which stays sharper for an extended time. The knives also feature ergonomically designed handles that enable the user to hold and grip the blade with ease. Get 2 for 1 with this Flexcut knife models and be the proud owner of 3 popular knives in the world. At number 3, we have the Morakniv wood carving 106 knife. We present to you yet another special knife that comes highly recommended for whittling. It is a member of the Morakniv company and is seen to be one of the best whittling knives you'll ever encounter in today's market. This is the Morakniv wood carving knife, a beautiful piece of blade designed as a simple and durable unit for cutting and other activities. This knife features a laminated steel blade for all your wood carving needs and also boasts of a wood handle made from oiled birch wood, to make it more durable. The Morakniv Edge is a proud Swedish product, which can adapt with ease to any task it is offered. Enjoy the most significant grip with this knife and move with ease while you cut. Our guide to the best bench-made pocket knives features more high-quality knives like this. At number 2, we have the Flexcut Whittlin. Flexcut is one famous brand in the knife manufacturing industry, thus, it comes as no surprise that they have many of their models features in our list of best whittling knife recommendations. Another member of their whittling knives collection which we love is the Flexcut Whittlin Jack, a detail knife designed for all your needs and then some. It is a proudly American unit that comes with 2 distinctly designed blades meant specifically for whittling. The Jack knife offers users with 2 different knives, one roughing knife and a detail knife. Thus, all your tasks that require different blade types are catered for. Every blade is made to be used immediately it is out of its packaging, with the predominant material for construction being thick carbon steel. And finally at number 1, we have the Flexcut detail knife. We love the Flexcut brand because of their wide range of options concerning knives. Every knife type is similar and yet very distinct, which makes the brand one of the best in the market today. Their latest knife model is the Flexcut detail knife, an ergonomically designed unit made with care and precision to cater to all your wood carving and whittling needs. This is a special wood carving knife in every sense of the word. It is made with high carbon steel which increases its durability and also has a hardwood handle designed to accommodate the inside of your hand to offer firm grip whenever needed. The performance of this American product is outstanding, and it is seen through various positive reports from existing customers.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.